Welcome back to another Gale Bears Repairs. Today I'm just going to change the battery in my key on my Peugeot because it's not sensing it. It's not sensing the key. The door is not unlocking, but it will work with the remote, with the pushing the buttons. So I'm just going to try and replace the battery. I'll show you how to do that and then we'll see whether that fixes the problem. Right, let's get on with it. Right, so I've got to get into this key. The batteries that I'm putting in here are Duracell, decent brand ones, and they are 2032. So if you're going to purchase your batteries for this Peugeot key, this is on a 2020 Peugeot 208. It's going to be the same for the whole Peugeot range of this age. They're not going to change the keys for a 208 or a 308. It's going to be the same. So you're after a 2032. I'll bring you in closer and I'll show you how to get the key open and some essential information about when you're handling the battery. To get into this key, you need a little terminal screwdriver, and then just in there, you've just got to put it in there. This is the lid. You just put it in there and you just prise him. There you go. He just pops up so easily. And you just pivot it away and then slide it out. So pivot it up and then slide it that way, and there we go. So when you're sliding it out, you're sliding it away from those two tangs there, and there's your battery. So to get the battery out, it's the smooth side facing up, facing out. So we just want to hook him out here. Yeah, just pop out that. So you just hook out under him. So go in the side there and prise him out. There's a little notch there. Get your screwdriver in and just pop him. So it's the smooth side is facing up. And when I say smooth side, look, this side has got two faces to it. So that's your positive, that's your negative. Right, so here's the important information that you need to know here. You're not to touch this battery with your fingers. So what it is, you're not allowed to touch there and there at the same time. So see if you're in focus. So if you hold it like that, it's fine. It's only touching one side. But the moment you touch that and that, now it's discharging through your body. So it's going to greatly reduce the life of the battery for you. So don't do that. So you're only going to hold it like that and place it in. So I got him hold. So I just got him upside down on my finger. Look. So I'm not touching both at the same time. And then we just lay him in there and just snap him in. And that is it. Oh, just heard the car open, so it's working. It was just the battery. So the car is just unlocked itself now. So to put the lid back on, make sure you're in focus because this phone's not focusing very well. Put those two prongs in there, pivot it down and just snap it shut. And that is it. It's that basic to replace the battery on your 208 key. Oh, the door's just locked again. Look. Right, so we're good to go. Right, so here's what it wasn't doing. As I approached the car, it wasn't unlocking itself. So if I step away from the car now, so it's locked itself. So as I approach the car, there we go. So it's unlocked itself. So it's working now. This wasn't working. So then we also want to check that it unlocks and locks. So it locks and it unlocks. So we're good to go. That's a nice easy job on your Peugeot to replace the battery in your key. You may think you're getting a fault with your alarm or the proximity sensor, but it's not. It's probably just the battery. 2032 is the number you require for those little button cells. I got two of them on eBay for under £5 including delivery, so they're not that expensive. Worth doing yourself at home. Don't take your car to the garage to have this done. Essential piece that you take from this: do not touch that pos and neg together with your fingers. It discharges through your body, so just keep it apart, have your fingers on one side of it and flip it in. Or wear rubber gloves, you know, like medical gloves then. I'll put a link to any other Peugeot videos that I've got here. So if you want to click on the link that appears here now. And if you found this video has been useful and it's been informative, could you please like, subscribe and share the video.